Hello team, welcome to DevOps training, and today we are going to discuss about the merge conflicts and how we can resolve the merge conflicts in Git. Right, so let's move to the working directory. So here is the project which we are basically on which we are working in the Git, right? And here is my terminal, right? Let's verify the working directory. So currently I'm working in the starter.web, which is starter-web, which is my Git directory, right? So let's verify the branches over here. So I have the two branches, master and develop, and currently my pointer is pointing to the master, so I am working on the master directory. So first I will switch to my directory to develop, right? So check out the branch name, right? Now git branch. See, the pointer is moved to the develop, so currently I am working on the develop directory. Let's list out the number of files in my project, right? So I have n number of files in my project, and suppose any file and do the change in that particular file, right? So suppose I'm doing the changes in the human text. So say Sublime and say human text. And suppose I'm doing over here thanks and technology. I'm adding few more technology over here like Docker and say Java programming, right? And over here I'm adding in the team. I'm moving uh, email as that, and then I'm adding something else like I'm just deleting this DevOps engineer or state some any value right here, right? I'm doing this, right? I save the value, close the file, quit the Sublime. Okay, get a status. So see, one file is modified, the human.txt. I will check out this file, commit this file, git commit -am, and say changing humans txt, right? I have done my changes in my human.txt file. Again, go to the git and check out the branch, the master branch. It means to switch the branch, right? And over here, modify the same file which you have modified from the different branch, right? So I will go to Sublime and modify my humans.txt, right? And you can see the changes in this particular file what I have done at that particular place. It means in the another branch is not being reflected over here. Okay, this is untouched. See, I have removed this as that, and I have removed this, I have added a new query over here, but this is not being over here, right? So what I will do some changes. I will remove the Ajax and I will add new technology like machine learning, AWS, Google Cloud, right? And save it, close it, quit the editor, get a status, modified the human.txt, right? Clear the console and commit the file, git commit -m and say adding conflicts by changing same file. Oh, -am. Done. I have done the changes. Git log one line graph decorate all. See, it is saying merge develop with the master and adding conflicts by changing the file, right? Now clear the console. Okay, verify the running branch, it's master. Now merge the branches, git merge -m and say merging develop. Uh-oh. See, it is showing the message auto merged human text conflicts content merge conflicts in human text. Automatic merge failed, fix conflicts, then commit the result. So when this particular kind of situation arise, so basically these particular situation arise because there are two developers or there are more than two developers or n number of developers and they are changing the same file on their branches. So when they are going to commit their branches or they are going to merge their branches with the master branch, so master branch the Git is thinking, okay, there is the similar kind of changes, there is a similar kind of changes in the same file. So Git is not able to resolve, okay, which need to keeps and which need to remove, right? So in that case you need to resolve the conflicts manually. In this case you need to resolve the conflicts manually, right? So if I will open the text file which I'm going to change, which is human.txt, so see over here I'm getting something like this. This text is I'm not inserted this text. It is saying the head branch, which means the master branch, contains this text, but on the same way at the same line the develop branch contains this text. So now it's your responsibility to resolve the merge conflict in your file. So either you can keep the upper one or either you can keep the lower one. So I will resolve this, I will close this, and I will remove this text because this is not no more required for me, right? There is no more required. Save the file, close the editor, close the file, close the editor. Now git status. Okay, git add. Now I need to add that file because I have changed that. Okay, git commit -am and say resolved merge conflicts. See, now put git status or again put the git log and all, right? Git log one line decorate all, and it is saying resolved merge conflicts. You can see there is a new branch is being created over here, merging the develop with the master, adding conflicts, changing the human text, and resolve merge conflicts. See, right? So you can see over here. Now let's execute git status. So it is saying on master branch, your branch is ahead of origin by 10 commits, right? Nothing to commit, working directory clean, right? Git branch. So I'm on master. Let's switch to the branch to develop and say uh, develop and execute git status. It is saying on master branch, on branch develop, nothing to commit, working directory clean. So guys, this is the way how you can basically remove the merge conflicts, and this is the reason of the merge conflicts. When there are two or more developers who is changing the same file at the same place and the same lines, so Git is not able to identify which change it needs to keep in the file and which needs to removed. So it show you the merge conflicts, and it's now you need to take care of the responsibility to resolve the merge conflicts manually, because git is just a system. It is not a artificial intelligence program which will resolve merge conflicts, which will decide the way itself. Okay, so you need to resolve these merge conflicts and you need to then commit the changes on the branch so that you can get the complete uh, code which is resolved by the merge conflicts. So if I will git checkout master, and I will say sublime human.txt. So see, you are getting the changes which you have merged, right? DevOps engineer, machine learning, AWS, Google Cloud, and all, right? So this is the merge conflict, and this is the way how you can resolve the merge conflicts, right? So thank you guys. Thanks for your time.